Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to a Toyota Prius. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. Then, with your Prius safely in park, navigate to the audio system's menu. This initial step prepares both your phone and your car for the pairing process, ensuring a smooth connection. We'll guide you through each step to get your device linked up quickly. Once in the audio menu, select the Bluetooth option. From there, you'll want to choose Add New Device. This action puts your Prius into pairing mode, making it visible to your phone. It's crucial to perform this step so your phone can detect the car's signal. Get ready for the next step, where we'll find the Prius on your phone. Now, on your phone, open your Bluetooth settings and scan for available devices. You should see an option like Car Multimedia or Toyota Prius. Select this option. Your car's display will show a PIN. Enter this same PIN into your phone when prompted. This confirms the connection between your phone and your vehicle, establishing a secure link. After entering the PIN, confirm the pairing on both your phone and the Prius display. Once connected, you can test the audio by playing music or making a quick call. You're now ready to enjoy hands-free communication and audio streaming through your car's speakers. This simple process enhances your driving experience, keeping you connected safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.